Want to build your own digital voltmeter for under $5? In this project, I'll show you how to create a precise DC voltmeter using an Arduino and a small OLED display. Here's what you'll need: an Arduino Uno or Nano, a 128 by 64 pixel SH1106 OLED display, 2 resistors, a 100 kilo ohm and a 10 kilo ohm, a breadboard, and some jumper wires. That's it. Wiring is straightforward. Connect the OLED's power and ground to 5 volts and ground on the Arduino. Then connect SDA to A4 and SCL to A5. For the voltage divider, connect the 100K resistor from your test voltage to analog pin A0. Then connect the 10K resistor from A0 to ground. Double-check your connections before powering up. The code is just as simple. We initialize the SH1106 display using Adafruit's library, then read the analog pin. The raw reading gets converted to voltage using the formula: analog value divided by 1023 times 5 volts reference. Then multiply by our divider ratio of 11 and display the result with 2 decimal places. We've included a moving average filter to smooth out noisy readings for rock-solid stability. Let's test it. I have a 5-volt and 12-volt fixed power supply. I'll connect a ground wire to supply common point. The OLED shows exactly 5.32 volts on 5 volts power supply point and 12.27 volts on 12 volts point. The accuracy is impressive for such a simple build. You can easily modify the resistor values for different voltage ranges or add features like data logging. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more Arduino projects. And let me know in the comments, what voltage ranges do you need to measure? I'll see you in the next video.